There is a Rainbow, written by Teresa Trinder. A story has a beginning and an end. There is a here, there is a there, and there is something in between. On the other side of the screen, there is a school. On the other side of a window, there is a neighbor. On the other side of the street, there is help. On the other side of town, there is a voice. On the other side of a river, there is light. On the other side of a mountain, there is a path. On the other side of sadness, there are hugs. On the other side of a storm, there is a rainbow. On the other side of today, there is tomorrow.